Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a cooked ham. So this is just a real simple recipe for you for when you want a quick holiday meal or just dinner. So first thing you need is a canned ham, and you'll need a half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to use some whole cloves for this one, and then the pineapple slices or pineapple rings, whatever you like to call them. Alright, so that's all the ingredients you need. So let's put this together and we'll get the ham cooked and try it out and see how it all goes. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is take your glass baking pan and you'll just spray it with the cooking spray. I've already sprayed this. You want to open up your ham, drain it a little bit, and then you just take it and flip it out into your cooking pan. And you want to take your brown sugar and put it on top here. Just spread it out. Don't mind if you use your fingers here. Alright, that was half a cup. Now brown sugar is just your cane sugar and it's cane sugar and cane syrup. Some manufacturers will actually use molasses. So next thing, just take your pineapple rings and put them on here and set them on the side like so. Just pineapple rings add to the flavor, plus makes it look nice. You can add cherries on the top here if you like. So you just want to make sure you drain your can, the pineapple. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is take your cloves and you just take them and stick them in to the ham. This will add a lot of good flavor for you. Let's see if I can get some on the side here. Well, like I said, this would make a simple holiday meal for you for Christmas or Easter, or if you got a special occasion coming up. So, and while you're preparing your ham here, you're going to want to have your oven preheating to 325, and then once you get it prepared, put the ham in the oven for an hour, and it should be all done. Get it to the internal temperature that it recommends on the can here, which says 135. So I don't have a temperature thing, so which I probably should as much as I cook, but I've never gotten sick from my own cooking. So I'm just putting these cloves in here. Alright. Now, sometimes these pineapples look better than, go on better than what they are tonight or today. So, alright. So we're going to put this in the oven now, as you can see. And we'll put it in there for an hour. And I'll see you in an hour. Okay guys, let this cook for an hour. I thought it was sitting out here for a few minutes. Just look at that. Don't that look beautiful? Alright, so let me go ahead here. I'm going to cut it from this side. Here. We got a big thing here. And this thing smells good. Let me get the fork here. I'm going to cut a little piece off here. Well, this thing was smelling so good while it was cooking. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Well, let me put a little piece of the pineapple on there. We'll go ahead and pull these cloves out. But let me tell you, I wish I could share the smell of this with you guys right now, because it smells good. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna even get a little piece of the pineapple to go with it. Alright. So I can get it on here. There we go. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to give this a try now. Oh gosh. Another great recipe. It's usually how I make my ham. A little simple ham. When I want something simple, don't want to get too fancy. And so get the canned ham, put it in the pan, put a little bit of brown sugar, put some cloves on there, and put the pineapple on there. You got a lovely ham. It tastes good. So it's just something simple to make for holidays or a quick dinner. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this ham for dinner, and you guys can comment below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I try to have a cooking video out every Saturday, and I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So I'll see you guys later. I'm going to finish enjoying this ham here.